got a little stage fright, but it's okay. So we're going to go through it again. And can anybody think of the tune that I'm doing? Oh, Georgia.
It's kind of like, I forgot.
Maggie?
Head, shoulders, knees.
Right.
Oh yeah, that's
All right.
what I was thinking
So I want
of.
all of us to we don't have to do
I
the hand
know.
motions. I just want us to get the words down. Okay? So it's ask, imagine, plan, create, and improve. Ask, imagine, plan, create, and improve. I will listen and communicate. Ask, imagine, plan, create, and improve. Do you think we could probably add music to that?
Yeah.
All right. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Ask, imagine, plan, create, and improve. Ask, imagine, plan, create, and improve. I will listen and communicate. Ask, imagine, plan, create, and improve. Okay, I think we got it. We'll keep on practicing. We're going to keep on practicing just until this is just so stuck into your brain that you sing it in your sleep.
I'm singing it.
Okay?
I'm singing.
All right. All right.
I
I really don't want to take the quiet critters away. Oh, and it might help if I turn the projector on. Silly Mitchell.
There we go.
Okay. So an engineer is a person who wants to know how and why things work. All right? So we want to know why there's an apple tree and how we can get that apple tree to make more apples. Or how we can get more apples. Or how a bridge. Think of a bridge. Why do bridges work?
Because you build them.
Yeah. They're electronics and also they test them.
Okay?
Because they're really strong.
Because they're strong.
And because engineers build them probably.
All right. Engineers build them properly. So if we had to figure out a question, we need to ask ourselves 3 questions. Figure out a problem, we need to figure out 3 questions. And they're pretty easy questions. Right. We need to know what the problem is. Problem is that Lake Cheney is here.
Wait, what?
Who knows where Lake Cheney is? The Arkansas River.
I didn't know that.
There's a bridge on the Arkansas River that has fallen down. It's fallen, it's crumbled into the river, it's gone.
What is it?
So now we have 2 roads, or 2 pieces of road that can't connect and people can't get across. So what are we going to do? What's the problem?
Problem is that the bridge broken down into small pieces and
Okay. Avery.
The problem is that the bridge has fallen down and so they can't walk across and we need to build a new one.
Right. We have a bridge. We need to walk across. But there's a big hole in there and we can't get across, right?
Just jump.
And it's a little too far to jump.
I could jump it.
So who has the problem?
You can't.
Who has this big problem of no bridge? Maggie? Drivers.
people who are on walks.
Okay.
Homeless people who need to walk somewhere.
Okay.
People that are scared to jump.
Right. True.
Everybody.
Everybody.
important? Why do you think it's important to solve this problem?
So the people won't be able to get across, and they'll never be able to solve the problem, so they'll never get across.
Okay. Okay. Why is it important to solve the bridge problem? Oh, Eldon?
So people can walk across it again,
So people can walk across it again.
so they can get to their homes.
So they can get to homes or work, right? So let's take a few looks at the different types. Peyton. So what is this? Raise your hand.
The Florida House Bridge.
Oh, I know one.
Avery?
I can't see it.
It's a bridge.
I can't see it. It's the Brooklyn Bridge. It's the Brooklyn Bridge.
Actually, it is not the Brooklyn Bridge.
Oh, dang it. Oh, I forgot what it's called.
It's not the Golden Gate Bridge. It's a bridge. It's just a picture of a bridge. It kind of looks like the Brooklyn Bridge or the Golden Gate Bridge. It's not. So this, where they are taking care of the structures, taking care of structures, it's called civil engineering.
How come on Nuts there's a comment in Washington?
Because I missed that. All right. Okay, so who has seen a washing machine? Everybody knows what a washing machine is, right? Okay, so who knows what we had to do before we had washing machines? Peyton.
They had to use buckets and scrub their clothes on mud.
Okay, so I want everybody to stand up
Okay.
and pretend the back of your chair is a washing board. So you're going to take your piece of clothes, you're going to take your clothes, you're going to stand on the very back or behind your chair. Your chair needs to have all 4 feet on the floor.
Oh, that's
You're using the inside of your chair.
Oh, the inside.
And you're going to take it and you're going to pretend that this part right here, you're going to pretend this part right here is your
Your washboard.
Nope. It is your washboard. Thank you, Vinny. So you're going to take your piece of clothing. I have Miss Avery's clothing. You're going to take your piece of clothing and you're going to sit here and you're going to go.
That'll hurt.
Yeah, sometimes it hurts. Try.
That burns.
Now think of how much laundry you have.
Oh yeah,
And you have to do all of it at once. All like that.
Like all of it?
All of it.
all of it.
I can't do it.
5, 4, 3, 2. When I get to 1, everybody needs to be in their seat. 1. Okay, so it'd be really hard. So this guy, Alvin Fisher, well, I know there's not a picture of him, but Alvin Fisher wanted to get us from this to that board that's super hard and you're just scrubbing and, I mean, you'd have great arm workouts, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. To our washing machine. Now, what was the problem that Alvin had? What was the problem that Alvin was thinking of? Layla?
Like if you want to wash your clothes, it might get you tired and stop you from doing things that you want to do.
Okay. What do you think?
I always forget.
We'll come back.
The problem is that people have to scrub back and forth for a long time because we have so much clothes to wash.
Right, it's an easier way. It's an easier way. Now, did the first washing machine look exactly like this?
No.
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 Did it look, it probably looked a little weird. You could probably see all of the,
Clothes?
all the like electrical stuff in it, and it probably wasn't the safest.
Yes.
We have a whole bunch of safety things that we have now. So Alvin was more of an electrical engineer. He worked with circuits and making sure that things connected, right? Who loves space? I personally love space.
Because Hayden wants to be an astronaut when he grows up.
Oh, so what can you tell me? What can you tell me about space shuttles?
They're big.
They're big. Who do you think?
I know.
Who do you think makes those big shuttles? Engineers. It's called aerospace engineering.
NASA? I know that place.
So we have aerospace engineering, and then we have software engineering. What do you think software engineering is doing? Georgia?
I think it's to make you comfy.
Make you comfy. What are they working on? Avery?
They're working on like bed stuff or like stuff to lay.
Kind of looks like they're working on Eldon? Computers! They're working on computers. They're kind of working to make the computer programs, right? All right, so we're going to move on. We still got lots to do. So these are at least 4 different types of engineering. All right, I'm going to go through them.
What?
So we have mechanical engineers.
Oh, it's a little bridge.
They work with tools and machines, kind of like,
Not there yet.
who's heard of Henry Ford? Who's he?
I forgot now. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I remember.
What?
He works on cars and trucks and materials that drive.
Oh, super close. Super close. Sammy?
It's a guy.
It is a guy.
Is he a race car driver?
He is not a race car driver.
Is he the owner of a car dealership?
Oh no.
I
He
remember.
is.
I know. I'm gonna
You want to guess, Vinny? What's your guess? One more guess. This is the last guess, and then we got to move on.
electrical.
Nope, not electrical. He built the first car. On not necessarily the first car, but the first car on a
Engine. Bridge.
nope, on like going down a line, like going ahead and
On a street.
no. They did it part by part. They didn't just make it completely.
Oh, okay.
Okay?
Now okay.
He built cars. He built cars.
We got it now.
Okay? Then we have electrical engineers. They study electricity. Who has a microwave in their home?
Everybody.
Out.
Not
Everybody.
everybody.
Homeless people. Mostly everybody. So not everybody.
Who has a cell phone? Whose parents have a cell phone? How did we get from, the landline cell phones to the cell phones?
Because an engineer made it.
Is there a whole bunch of electricity going into that? Yeah. Okay. So, and then we have software engineers or computer engineers.
Oh, you forgot something up there. Said that.
Who knows? We just talked about what a software engineer does. London?
Works on computers.
What do they do? You guys, I'm sure you guys like to play these a lot.
Make apps.
Special, yeah, apps,
Games. iPad.
iPads. No, what do we do on the iPads?
Play games.